Hello everyone. So you would like to know how can you join a faction against your liege, basically the guy above you, or maybe you want to create this faction. Well, that is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go here in the factions tab or press F7 to open it. You click there and here you can see the factions in your realm. In this case there are no factions against me. I just recently defeated one. But if you want to look at the factions against your liege, here is where you have to go. And there are a few factions that are currently active. Here you can see the members of this faction. And here too. And so you can join these factions by clicking here or here if this is what you want. Or maybe you want to create a new faction, and here is what you can do. You can create a claimant faction where basically someone is claiming the throne or the position of the guy above you. Maybe it's not you that you want, it's someone else. There are many options. Or create an independent faction. Basically, you want to be independent from your liege. And yeah, these are the options for factions in Crusader Kings 3. It's pretty easy, it's pretty fun, and it's an important part of the game. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.